Today let's learn authentic IYER style lemon ginger rasam. This is a unique rasam recipe which has tangy lemon flavor with spiciness from ginger and green chilli, and it is very different from all other rasam that you had already. Hey guys, welcome back to MANO Cooks. If you are new here, please subscribe and click on the bell icon, and let's get started. For this I have taken quarter cup Toor Dal and I have soaked it for some time. Wash and add the dal with 1 cup water and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil, and pressure cook this dal for 6 to 7 whistles until dal is cooked to mushy consistency. So as you see, now the dal is cooked very well. Mash it with a ladle and transfer it to a small container and keep it aside. I have added little water to the pressure cooker and washed it and reserved the water for later use. Keep that aside too. Now take a pan and add 2 tablespoons ghee to that. Once ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard and allow it to crackle. Once it crackles, add curry leaves and add dry red chilli. After that, I am adding 5 to 6 green chilli slit. Now to this, add 1 inch crushed ginger. In this stage, if you want, you can add all the ingredients, keeping the flame to medium-low. Add fresh coriander stem to this and saute for some time. To this now, add quarter teaspoon asafoetida along with quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Now to this, add 2 small tomatoes chopped and cook this for 5 minutes on medium flame. After cooking tomatoes for 5 minutes in oil, add 1 cup water and allow the tomatoes to cook until soft. Now let's add the reserved dal water along with mashed dal. With this, 3 to 4 cups water, and on medium flame, let this come to a boil. Also, if you are new to MANO Cooks, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell notification to watch my videos without fail. When you see rasam forming a frothy layer on top and starts to boil, let's add freshly chopped coriander leaves to this. Mix once and allow it to boil for 3 to 4 minutes. This ginger flavored rasam with tanginess from tomato and spiciness from green chilli is a must try, and I'm sure you'll love the taste. After 4 minutes, it's time to turn off the flame and wait for 5 minutes, after which let's add 2 tablespoons lemon juice to this. Mix it and serve it hot.
I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe with me. Try this at home and remember to like and comment, and if you like this video, also subscribe to MANO Cooks. Thanks a lot for watching.